Hello, dear audience. Good day. This is Sher Afzal from the chairman, the founder of Global CEO Club Private Limited. From time to time, Global CEO Club is visiting, is organizing multiple expos as partners worldwide. Today we are here at Color and Chem Expo, Lahore Expo Center, to explore new avenues for the business community. The ultimate objective of Global CEO Club is to organize new markets for the global business community. Again, I invite you people to become part of Global CEO Club so that you can be flourished across the globe. Thank you so much. Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. As you are familiar, Global CEO Club is supporting the business community to accelerate into the whole world, to have alliances, to have collaborations, to have partnerships are the core activities of Global CEO Club. Again, we are here at Chemical Expo, Lahore Expo Center. Mr. Hubbe Mustafa Ali from Reborn Chemicals. Thank you, Mr. Hubbe Mustafa.
You're welcome.
Please share with us your journey about your brand, about your company.
Actually, we are the sole agent in Punjab of Kesida. We are as well as manufacturing our own chemicals here in Pakistan and as well as in Bangladesh. We started this journey in Bangladesh in 2010. And later on, we started our own manufacturing in 2016 in Pakistan. And now we have collaborated with the Kesida. It is a major leading manufacturing entity in China. Ms. Helen is the boss and the CEO of that Kesida company. They are excel in some high tech finishing and as well as pre-treatment chemicals. Just like wetting agents, some detergents, some wicking agents and softeners, and they are providing very much cost-friendly products to the market, which I guess is a very much positive thing for the Pakistan market, because cost nowadays is a very much crucial, what you say, element right now. So they are providing very much good and cost-effective chemicals to the industry. We are already working with many good groups, just like US Group, Nishat, Chunia, Kohinoor Mills, and they are extremely satisfied with the products. And we are also extremely satisfied with the products, and we are entering the market to provide them good, cost-effective solutions.
Oh, wonderful. You are doing an excellent job, and I wish that you should carry on this wonderful.
Thank you so much for your wishes.
One thing more I want to add here.
Sure.
Global CEO Club has very strong presence in every country of the world.
No, sure. I've already heard it.
Yeah, and as you are from Faisalabad Chamber of Commerce.
Commerce, yes.
Yes, part of Global CEO Club.
Yes, it is.
Lahore Chamber of Commerce, part of Global CEO Club. Many expo organizers like E-commerce Gateway, Badr Expo are part of Global CEO.
Yes.
Yeah. So Global CEO Club, as I mentioned, has very strong footprints across
in the market, no doubt.
Yeah. From China, I must say that Asia Pacific United Nations chairperson is part of Global CEO Club.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow.
The whole board member of Global CEO Club are foreigner, and it's a registered entity in Pakistan, and I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club.
Sure. We will be.
Global CEO Club is also present in Bangladesh. Okay,
nice.
And everywhere in the world, Global CEO Club has very strong footprints.
Very good.
I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club and be grown across the globe.
Sure.
So thank you so much.
We should grow together.
Yeah. The ultimate objective of Global CEO Club to have joint growth. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It was a true pleasure to meet you.
Yeah. Likewise.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.